Okay, let's put this one at the bottom of country states. I think it looks cool. Yeah, it's scrollable, as well as this one is scrollable too. Save it. Next we have covered list, and what about details? So details, if you want to show the details of for this layer or any layer that you want, simply click it. It will show you the information based on each country. For example, it shows you 50 countries if you want for information for 180 countries. So you can simply go to right and it will show you the states and information for each states. Okay, you can bring it here. No need for that. Simply we can get that information by simply clicking on any location that you want. Here it is. Next we have the rich text. If you want to write some text, you can write it down. For example, COVID-19 dashboard. Make it bold at the center. Okay, now you can put anywhere you want. Let's put it here, top of the map. Okay, look cool. COVID-19 dashboard. Or simply we can change its name to geospatial locations of the countries, for example. Anything. Make it small. That's it. Then we have embedded content. You can insert an external page to your dashboard, either it's video or any other URL that you have, image, anything. So let's bring an external page. For example, World Health Organization. Yeah, I want, for example, let's go to its dashboard, copy the URL and go to update, paste it here. Here we go. Simple. If you want to put a title, World Health Organization. Is it right? Okay. Put it in the center, make it bold, and that's it. Complete page. It's loading. You can put it here. It looks fine. If you don't like it, simply remove it. I think it looks cool now. Save it, and there we go. Our dashboard is completed, and you can publish it using this link. Simply copy it and put it here, URL, put the URL here, and you can have your dashboard accessed. Here it is.